Okay, so the motor just came out on the 4 screws that held it onto the plate. I took the 3 screws out here on the side. That takes the cover off. I removed this circlip from the top here. On the bottom side there's a little like oil and grease cover here which you need to just very carefully put a screwdriver under and just lever up ever so carefully till it comes off. And under that you'll find another circlip. You'll need some circuit pliers for this, and that comes off. And then now you can see the bearing in there. But the first thing that I noticed is, we put those things to the side. This is the motor rebuild kit that I got from Ecofix in Australia. I've got some Hall senders there, but the important thing is the bearing. Now that bearing's only 13mm wide. I can already see that that's not the right bearing. The bearing in here, it looks like it's about 19mm when I measure it. Just been speaking to Ecofix in Australia, and apparently this motor rebuild kit is only for the Pioneer motors. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but the motor that's in mine, it's not a Pioneer motor, it's a Nippon Densang Corporation one, a Nidec, and then a whole bunch of numbers there, and a lot number. So obviously there are different motors in these inside these Tape Echo machines, and they're not all the same. So but luckily enough, that bearing in there looks to be absolutely identical to the 19mm bearing that came as part of the tape reel bearing kit. So hopefully that should fit in there. So the next thing to do is to try and get that bearing out, and it looks to me like it needs to be pulled out. So we're going to put a puller, small puller, around here with the point on the end of the shaft, and we're going to try and pull this off.